Hello Riverside community, Dr. Rateno here with another update. Before I move on to all the great things going on in our district, I want to take a moment to follow up on the incident at the campus on Friday, April 24th, involving a student in possession of a firearm. While these moments are difficult, I want to begin by expressing my profound gratitude to all directly and indirectly involved in the situation. First, I want to highlight the importance of the students who reported the incident to Mrs. Molinas. Next, thank you to Mrs. Becky Molinas for both establishing positive relationships with all students so they feel comfortable confiding in her and for her quick response to action that afternoon. Thank you to Mr. Hall for his calm demeanor, swift action, and leadership throughout the tense situation. Thank you to the Lake County Sheriff's Office for our incredible partnership and their rapid response. Their professional support and immediate presence on site were vital in resolving the situation safely. We are truly fortunate to have such a dedicated team of law enforcement partners looking out for our students and our schools. Finally, I want to thank all of our students and staff. You responded exactly as trained and prioritized student safety. I witnessed firsthand all the members of the campus working as one community that afternoon, and I could not be more proud. I want to be very clear, the safety of our students and staff is our absolute top priority. It is the foundation of everything we do. We know that for true learning to take place, our schools must be a place where every child and adult feels safe. Although that afternoon had a happy ending, we need to continue to be diligent about following and refining our safety and security protocols. We are being very intentional and thoughtful about our next steps. We are currently reviewing every aspect of this incident and our response. As we evaluate potential changes to our safety protocols, our goal is to be deliberate, ensuring our measures are effective while maintaining the supportive environment our students deserve. While we evaluate these enhancements, I want to remind us all that our most powerful safety tool remains the same: our collective vigilance. If you see something, say something. Whether it's a social media post, a conversation you overheard, or anything that feels out of place, please report it right away to administration, school safety officer, or any trusted adult in the building. It takes all of us, the district, the sheriff's office, and our families working together to keep our one community safe. Thank you for your continued trust and for your partnership in keeping our schools a safe place to learn and grow. We will continue to keep you updated as we move forward. The Riverside Board of Education has scheduled a special meeting on Wednesday, May 13th to hear a joint debrief from District Administration and the Sheriff's Office, as well as provide for public comment. The meeting will be at the Riverside campus and begin at 5:30. On a much lighter note, we are super excited to announce that Riverside High School sophomore Ava Pasalakua won the countywide Laketran bus ramp art design contest. This is the first time a Riverside student has ever come out on top of the competition. This year's theme was America 250, and Ava's We the People design beat out nearly 100 other students throughout Lake County. On April 7th, Laketran came out to Riverside High School to unveil the dial-a-ride bus wrapped in Ava's beautiful work. You'll see this bus driving throughout Lake County next year. Congratulations are in order to our longtime theater advisor, Laura Poje, for being inducted into the Ohio Thespians Hall of Fame this month. This honor celebrates Laura's distinguished service to Ohio Thespians and recognizes her enduring impact on the educational theater in our state. Earlier this month, Riverside High School hosted its annual Junior and Senior Career Fair. More than 120 students signed up to take advantage of this opportunity to meet with more than 20 local businesses and organizations to learn more about what job positions may be available to them after graduation. Some of these students even had a chance to interview on the spot with many of these businesses. We'd like to thank all of the businesses and organizations who attended this event and provided our students with this unique opportunity. Thank you to all the Riverside families for attending our annual community Easter egg hunt earlier this month. It was the warmest Easter egg hunt we've had in nearly 10 years, which resulted in an incredible turnout on the front lawn of the Riverside campus. And hundreds of children scrambled to pick up thousands of eggs in less than 2 minutes. I want to give a special thank you to the Buckeye PTA, the Melridge PTO, the Riverview PTO, and the Parkside PTO, and the Amsco for coordinating this event and supplying the candy and eggs. Special thanks to several Riverside High School students for also volunteering their time the day of the event. Without all these volunteers, this event would not happen. To the parents of the class of 2039, have you registered your child yet for kindergarten? Registration for the 26-27 school year is live on our website. Get registered and be sure to join us Thursday, May 7th for our kindergarten kickoff night, where families can visit the kindergarten classrooms at each elementary school, meet the teaching staff, and learn more about the year ahead. On Monday, May 4th, we are inviting you to come join us at the Riverside High School for the CTX Open House from 5 to 7 p.m. The Career Technical Experience has officially opened to staff and students thanks to a $2.5 million grant from the Ohio Department of Education and Workforce. Come see for yourself this 4,500 square foot addition, which allows high school to expand its career elective offerings to students. I would like to invite everyone to our annual military signing on Thursday, May 21st at 1 p.m. This is when we recognize and honor any seniors who are enlisting in the military following graduation. This event will take place at the Wall of Honor inside Riverside Stadium. Lastly, next week is Staff Appreciation Week. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of our Riverside staff members district-wide. Whether you're in the classroom, the cafeteria, the office, the playground, on a bus, or any other corner of our district, your contributions are invaluable. Each interaction, each lesson, and each smile you share has an incredible mark on the hearts and minds of our students. Your dedication, passion, and unwavering commitment to our students and community do not go unnoticed. Thank you, and go Beavers!